Hello guys! Nilagay na natin yung ating mushroom guys. Kasi kailangan natin unahin yung ating mushroom. Pero, ito yung mushroom natin para very easy to cook. Quick guys. Yan. Okay, we need to put water. Ayan guys. Lagyan natin ng tubig yan para masarap. Madali maluto yung ating very fast cooking our mushroom guys. I hope everyone is enjoy. God bless. That's why guys, that's why you cook. Okay, that's oyster sauce guys. That's all. Little sugar for the taste. Like that naman talaga guys. Sugar, you know. And of course, we put pepper, ground pepper. Kasi yan ang masarap guys. Ayan. Mashallah, mashallah guys. Grabe guys, it's so very hot here in Hong Kong. Today guys, Hong Kong is very hot. My goodness. We need a Hong Kong very hot guys. Hong Kong is hot. Taran, taran, taran. Yan. Yan guys, this is our shrimp with butter and yan. Yummy. Enjoy watching guys. Mga palangga po. Enjoy watching kayo dyan. Yan. That's all everyone. I hope everyone is happy and finish cooking guys. Mainit talaga dito guys. Today in Hong Kong is very hot guys. From yesterday we go out, but yesterday is our holiday. Have a dragon boat here in Hong Kong. Wow, my goodness. Very hot outside, guys. Kupalin natin yan, guys. Mainit, guys. My God. Hong Kong is hot. Parang gusto mo na lang guys na mag-ano ka sa loob ng banyo guys. Mag-stay inside the bathroom, in the bathtub. Ito na lang guys. So, sasabihin. Sa'yo. Okay. And then, need to cook also our vegetables. Vegetables. Guys, tapos ilagay natin to guys. We will put our chicken. We will put our chicken. That's already fried. Yan. Chicken, carrots with potato, mga langga, kung mga guwapa. I hope everyone is enjoy watching. Ayan na guys, oh. Yan. Yan lang guys yung ano natin guys na. Ganyan na lang guys yung ating food. That's our food for today. Mga guwapa pag mga guwapo. I hope everyone is enjoy guys. Okay na guys, thank you so much for watching. Okay, lulutuin na natin siya guys, no? We need to cook our food for dinner. For today is June 11. Today is June 11 guys. I hope everyone is enjoy watching. Yan guys. Kasi I forgot to put the ano guys, the salt there. Still there guys. We need to put again the water. Make our food soft. Yan. Yan na guys. Oh, soft na yun ang ating lutuin guys. Kailangan masarap yan. Talagang masarap naman talaga to guys. Kasing sarap nyo na talaga ito guys. Okay. Yan. Enjoy watching. And we need to put like this guys, okay? For the taste only guys. For the taste. Okay, that's all. Just little guys. Just little. And don't put too much salt. Just a little salt if you want. And put a soy sauce guys. This is a good one. And that's all na guys. So yummy na yan, mga guwapita, kagwapito. Yan na guys. Already finished guys. Yeah, we will wait the ano guys. Yan, mga guwapa, kagwapo. 9 minutes na guys. Thank you so much for watching and God bless. That's our soup for today. We will put, oh my gosh, I will see if how water. We need to put a little water this guys. This kind of water, more water for soup guys. very hot. That's why some people also it's hot. It's hot, yes. Some people also hot, guys. Very hot. Okay, that's all. The kitchen is so hot. That's why. Sorry that not too much light. Yes. Yes, guys. Yan, guys. Yan. Tumisin sa likod. Ito yung water. Because our carrots and potato not yet finished cooking. Sabi ko na sa'yo, ikaw ay nagbigay. Ang pag-asa. See guys, our tomato and carrots still not yet cooked. Not yet done cooking. And also the mushroom, guys. Mhm. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope everyone is enjoy. Thank you so much. Yeah, next. Our fire is low fire, guys. Na, 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 na. Hindi talaga guys, grabe rin ito na. We have chicken breast, carrots, and potato guys. Of course, garlic and ginger. Garlic and onion, guys. Thank you guys for watching and God bless everyone.